How's your day going? It's your boy, King Lee, whatever you want to call me. Okay, so today we don't know what we're doing. This is just gonna be some random unexpected video because I just wanted to make a YouTube video because I was really boring. So yeah. I don't know, friend me.
Yeah, I logged in, but it said you have no assignments.
Hmm. Uh. No. Okay, so let's log in. There's time loss. Ghost. Imposter. Yeah, I'm recording right now. Sorry, I was just talking to my brother, guys. Okay.
It looks like you're like a blogger because you're like carrying the tablet, like just
Wait, never mind. Don't join me in this cell. Me in this cell. Don't tell me she's
I gotta do what I gotta do.
Phew.
I could see you guys better. It's like Facebook
Okay.
really so teeny.
Jesus.
It's crazy.
Let's go and talk.
Tablet.
What the?
Before you click. That was extra scary.
Alright.
Mm.
The bad thing about this is I'm so slow on it. I mean, because I can't. It's just slower. It takes me longer to do stuff. Alright. So, we.
Okay. Oh, that could have been the end of me.
They are going to.
Really, brother?
See, we clapped. Did we clap all the rhythms yesterday or no? Or the other day?
I think yeah, we did.
Okay. So I have.
Oh my lord. Oh, for that. This is so hard.
But I have somewhere else. Something else I wanted to do with you. So we did the rhythms that were slower, where we did them.
Okay.
You did them like 4 times.
Oh wait, I just realized.
A couple days ago. So now I have a rhythm. It's 8 counts, and there's 8 beats in between. As soon as I find it, we can do it. And I'm almost not there. I'm almost there. It is definitely a Friday. This is so weird, though, that I'm not going to see you boys and girls the rest of the year. But you must have other specials. I get it.
Wait, you're quitting or something?
No. So normally you have a different special every day of the week, except for Fridays we rotate. So I will not see you the rest of the year because the next 9 or 10 weeks you're going to have gym, and then after that you'll have either art or science, and then after that you'll have either
This is
math or
hard.
science.
Oh.
So yeah, so that's it. I won't see you until next school year.
Oh.
this year. So, I found what I wanted to do. The thing is, unless I'll see if I can read it really, really small. In order for me to see it,
Okay.
I'm not really going to be able to see you, except for you'll be teeny in the. I'll figure it out.
My lord.
So again, you're going to hear 8 counts, not 4 like the other ones were. You're going to hear 8 counts, and then you'll see the rhythms, and we'll clap them together. And it's just using the quarter note.
Oh my. If this wasn't hard enough, don't be away from.
Quarter rest and the half note, which is ta, because it gets 2 counts. Okay.
Okay, and then.
I'm putting my sound on. Yep, got that. And yeah, that's what happens. Let me. I know. Yeah, I think I have to leave it like this. Okay, here we go.
Oh my.
2 8 counts. 4, 5, 6.
So. Thank you. Okay. Like, what's the invincibility? Isn't this what was?